Hello guys, welcome back to my tech channel NetTech Gadgets. Today I am back with a new unboxing video of a newly launched smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's start. Today, I'm going to talk and unbox a newly launched smartphone from Motorola. It's Motorola G22. This is the smartphone which I'm going to unbox very soon. This smartphone comes with a MediaTek Helio G37 octa-core processor. The RAM capacity of this smartphone is 4 GB and 6 GB with 64 GB storage capacity. The display of this particular smartphone is 6.5 inches HD plus 90 Hz display. So you can experience a flawless, lag-free experience in this smartphone. The battery capacity of the smartphone is 5000 mAh as usual. Now I come to the camera. The rear camera is 50 megapixel camera with an ultra-wide lens of 8 megapixel, a depth lens with 2 megapixel and a microfusion with 2 megapixel. So you are getting 4 lenses of camera at the rear back. And in the front you will be getting a 16 megapixel camera. Both the camera has the capacity of HD, Full HD. You will be experiencing a stock Android experience as usual of other Motorola phones. It has a dual SIM capacity and the weight of this smartphone is around 185 grams. This smartphone is providing a 20-watt turbocharger, so you can charge your smartphone very fast within a few minutes. This smartphone comes with 3 color variants. One is cosmic black, another is mint green, and the last one is iceberg blue. So let's unbox. This is Moto G22, the newly launched smartphone in India. G22 with a 50 megapixel quad camera. It has Max Vision technology, sleek, stylish design. So without wasting any time, let's unbox the smartphone. So I'm unboxing the smartphone. I'm cutting out the seal. And now I'm opening the box. This is the smartphone. This is the smartphone G22, and it comes with a back cover also, as usual with like other phones. Let me see what else are there inside the box. Some paperwork, user manuals. Let me keep it aside. This is a 20-watt charger, a 20-watt charger from Motorola. It's a 20-watt. You can see it's already embossed 20-watt, and a charger cable. It's a USB C-type cable because it has a C-type connector, so it has a C-type cable, and a SIM injector pin. So let me keep the box aside. So these are the things which I got from inside the box. These are the things. So let me keep this all, and this is Moto G22. This is the back side. This is the camera. This is the camera. Let me open the cover. It looks very good. It's very premium. The looks is very premium. The back side is a plastic body. It's not a glass body, but the finishing is like a glass finishing, and it looks really premium and sleek design. And here it is written 50 megapixel camera, quad camera is are inbuilt in this particular mobile, and it has a max vision display of 6.5 inches, 90 Hertz. These are the cameras. The 4 cameras are here. This is the flash, and this is the main camera, 50 megapixel. This is the ultra wide lens, and this is micro vision is this one, and this is the depth lens of 2 megapixel. At the top here is a 3.5 mm jack where you can input your headphone to enjoy a good surround sound. At this side you are getting two switches here. One is a volume up and down switch, or the volume rocker, what you can say, and another is a power switch. At the bottom there is a micro C-type port. C-type port is here for charging, a microphone, and a voice grill for your sound output. Nothing else is there. And here is the SIM tray. So let me peel off this paper. And this is the Moto G22 newly launched 4G phone from Motorola. So let me check the SIM tray. Let me open the SIM tray and see, is it a dual SIM or a hybrid SIM. So oh, it's a dedicated SIM tray. You can use two SIM card and a memory card side by side. It's a dedicated SIM tray and it's not a hybrid SIM. It's very good. So let me switch on the phone. The phone is switching on.
Hello, Moto.
So now I have to set up the phone. Let me set it up and I will be back soon. So guys, this is the first impression and unboxing of Moto G22. I will be bringing a detailed review, installation and my user's experience very soon. Till then, continue watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be bringing more unboxing videos. Thank you very much.